Irate students of Naurem Birahari College locked the offices of the principal in charge and the governing body today over the failure to constitute a new governing body. Speaking to reporters, Naurem Birahari College Students Union 2025-26 General Secretary N. Rakesh claimed that the lack of a governing body has caused immense inconvenience to the students. He lamented that the principal in charge remains adamant about not constituting a governing body despite instructions from the Directorate of Education U. He asserted that the Students' Union had submitted a representation to the Directorate of Education U on July 7, warning of agitations if a caretaker governing body was not formed within 15 days. The General Secretary added that the Students' Union locked the offices to launch their agitation after the deadline passed without their demands being met.
College authority wariba governing body si koi semakani habigi thaja badu director namar moi kanda college to taminari ba college si mairo singa koi student union ga punna khana jaraba mutung da director of education u da college si mo chinjaraga Naurem College student union na koi gi lairiba director of education u da point mari khak yawba memorandum khak pichen jaki haukiba July gi tarik ni panda memorandum adu de yawkiba yamaru we point ai taragadi koigi ngasi phawbada tha tara phadal phawbada authority laitibasi koigi governing body laitibasi governing body regular oba governing body ama semdri phawba caretaker ama college se bu election binaba thambiyu haiduna koi memedam chu de hapsaki